What's the difference? What are the benefits? What do I love? I love it all first and foremost. But let's talk the differences basically. If you're taking a hit of something, it's going to kick in quicker. When you smoke something, no matter what it is, joint, bong, bowl, whatever, it's going to go straight into your lungs, therefore your bloodstream, therefore up into your brain. That's why it is such an instantaneous effect, and you can get high so quick from smoking and taking dabs. Now, the edible process we'll talk about now as well. And I like to sometimes, when I'm doing this, maybe have a little smoke, then eat an edible, then they kick in around the same, or after that's done, that one kicks in. It's a cool way to go about it. But essentially how edibles work is you eat your edible, right? Some may be absorbed in your mouth and esophagus. It goes down into your belly. Then it is going to be transformed through your liver. So it's going to create a whole new compound, 11-hydroxy. So the THC or the delta 9 goes in there. Then it flips into this compound called 11-hydroxy. And that's going to give that really sedative edible high that people know as being an edible high because it just hits harder in a lot of ways. That being said, every body is different and people feel edibles in way different ways. Some people takes way more, some people takes barely anything to rock their world. And I alluded to it a second ago, what do I like? I like it all, but a fun way to go about it if you're looking for like a consistent stone day is have your smoke or eat your edible, have your smoke. When that smoke is like peaking down or going down, the edible is going to start going up and you can ride it out. Also in general, let's talk about the health aspects of smoking versus doing edibles. Obviously, I think it's pretty obvious that smoking in general is going to be way worse. You're getting that smoke into your lungs and it's not going to be as safe, if you will, as eating an edible that's going to be processed through your gut and liver. Think about this, I like to bring to the conversation is, being in the hemp game for a while, I've seen so many crazy fucking products, dude, like Amanita mushroom vapes, Blue Lotus vapes, right? Now, my question for you is these untested products, just as the cannabis industry is on this crazy ride right now in terms of lab testing stuff. But let's stick to this point. Would you rather smoke a Blue Lotus thing or an Amanita mushroom thing that doesn't have much background, much testing on it, or would you rather eat it? I'll let you know right now that eating it's going to be a way safer thing because again, it's not going directly into your bloodstream right away, guys. These are my quick thoughts on smoking versus edibles and what I love. And I'm kind of leaving out a middle ground here of the ingestible market, which is like maybe something like a beverage or a tincture. And I still put those with edibles, but there are certain edibles that in nanotechnology, and that's a whole nother video I'm actually going to make. But there's certain edibles that will kick in quicker depending on how they're made and what they are. For instance, the tincture, if you let it sit in your mouth, will be absorbed through the glands in your mouth, some again through the esophagus, and then some will be processed through that liver, just like the other edibles. So I could geek out on this all day. I'm gonna keep it at here right now, end it, and then we'll have another video coming on nano emulsification and is it legit, guys?